Hi, I'm John. I'm a sales representative for SCA. Industry is an important end customer segment for us. Each industry is different, but most of them rely on having a safe, efficient, and clean working environment. I've scheduled a meeting with George, the foreman of a manufacturing plant. I will learn more about his needs, then present our torque offering to him. Hi, George. Nice to meet you.
Hi. Welcome to our plant. Let me show you around a little bit before we get started. This is where we take in the raw material and prepare it before production. In the production hall is where we process and assemble the different parts. They're then transported to the paint shop to be painted. And finally, the finished products are polished and packaged before being distributed to the customer. You said you wanted to know about how we use wiping paper and cleaning cloths. We use mostly rags and paper, but I'll show you.
Great.
Here's some of our raw material. It's covered in oil, as you can see. We wipe it with rags before we turn, drill, grind, or press them.
I guess high absorption is important.
Yeah, yes it is. But some of these parts need more than wiping, though. Look at this part here. This has to be cleaned. We need to remove any rust or stubborn dirt. So we use rags that are strong and won't tear. They need to be thick enough so that we won't hurt our hands. The cleaning has a dual purpose. It's to ensure that the part is made with exact precision, but also to ensure the machines aren't damaged when processing the part. This is where we shape the steel. As you can see, the machine's full of cooling liquids, metal shavings, and oil. My colleague's going to clean the machine. He needs to remove all of that.
Do you do this every day?
As needed and between different production runs. We also have regular maintenance scheduled. Then we turn the machines off and service them. We need to remove the oil, grease, cooling liquids, shavings, and dirt.
I imagine the shavings can be pretty sharp.
Yeah, you need to protect your hands when you're removing them. All the tools we use for servicing machines have to be cleaned, so we use soft, flexible cloths to reach into tight corners.
Your hands must get pretty dirty doing all this cleaning.
Yeah, we wipe our hands many times a day. Here you see why maintenance is important. This machine's leaking oil. When that happens, we have to wipe it up very quickly before there's an accident. You often get your hands dirty when you're wiping things up, so you often have to clean and dry your hands. Here you see a finished product that will be painted before delivery. But before we can paint it, we need to make sure it's really clean, free from grease, fingerprints, dirt, and dust, to ensure a really good paint finish.
Do you use solvents?
Usually, there's a few different solvents and cleaning products we use.
You must have to wash your hands a lot.
Yeah, absolutely. You can get pretty greasy working on these machines.